Yeah. I just happened to have been in Minnesota. They also had a program that they eliminated, so we're not the only state. Lots of states have faced the challenge of budgeting and balancing their budgets this year. This was part of the challenge that we had to address. It was a program that had been growing significantly in cost. I do believe that everybody should have health care. I also know that we have to live within our means in the state of Illinois, and particularly because of all the mismanagement that's occurred over so many years. So we've got to rein it in and make sure that we're actually balancing the budget, and that was part of the decision that was made with regard to that program. As you know, we kept the program that's focused on seniors who are the most vulnerable. And it's true that when people don't have health insurance, that they often end up in an emergency room, and that can cost taxpayers more than the coverage that we might otherwise provide. We've got to work out how we're going to cover everybody in the state of Illinois, and that's something that I believe significantly is the job of state government and something that we'll continue to look at.
So there's nothing in this budget that funds illegal immigrant health care of those under 65?
Not in our budget, no.
Does the Democrat majority plan on continuing HBIS?
It's in the budget this year, yes.
So you're committed to doing the HBIS program this year, even if there is coming penalties from the federal government, including the FMAP penalties that will trigger Illinois' trigger law that may risk the whole ACA Medicaid expansion program?
From my understanding, anything that decisions that are made at the federal level do not become effective until after this budget year.
The people of Illinois deserve to hear if we are willing to risk the entire ACA expansion program in defense of the HBIS program.
There is no risk to HBIS or our Medicaid program this fiscal year.
To the bill.
To the bill.
This budget is acknowledgement that we were right about HBIA, and we will be about HBIS. The tax and spend Democrats, called tax and spend by their speaker, are so unfamiliar with cost cutting, they call it chaos. They wasted billions, and they are prepared to waste billions more. Wake up, Illinois.